Namaste ji, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are suffering from neck pain, this video is for you. Let's start. So to get rid of neck pain, it's very important we mobilize the spine and strengthen the shoulders. So let's start with the first exercise. You will stretch both hands to the side and pull your palms inwards. Just staying here for 10 breaths, long and slow. You will keep pulling the palms in and stretch your hands as much as you can. Breathe here. Breathing is very, very important. When we supply fresh oxygen to these muscles, they work much more efficiently. So keep stretching. You might feel little tingling sensation in your fingers. That means you're doing it absolutely correct. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Next, we will move for some shoulder mobility. So you will lift your shoulders up, back, down, up, back, down, up, back, and down. Similarly, forward rotation. Squeeze, up, forward, down. Squeeze, up, forward, down. Last one. Squeeze, up, forward, and down. Now, shoulder mobility again. Fingertips on the tips of our shoulders. We will lift both elbows up, touch them in the front and down. Continue in this circular motion like this. Up, forward, down. 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next is going to be a strengthening exercise for shoulders. We bring our palms here, elbows are bent. As you exhale, touch your elbows, touch your palms. Inhale, open, push the elbows back. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Last one. Exhale, close. We stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbows in line with shoulders, and 5. Slowly release and relax. Nice. I'm sure you're already feeling a little lighter on the neck. Yes, that's the result of our shoulder mobility. Now, we move for the mobility of the spine. You will come on the all fours in a tabletop position. As you inhale, you're going to arch your spine like this. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, arch. Exhale, down. Come back to center. Next pose is thread the needle pose. Stretch your right hand little forward. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, slide your left shoulder down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. You come back to center and change the side. Inhale, other hand up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Come back to center and relax. Now stretch your legs back and lie down on the mat completely. Next pose will be Bhujangasana. As you inhale, you will lift your chest up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go down and relax. Okay. So yes, I'm sure the neck is in a much better state right now. The pain is at least lessened, if not completely gone. Regular practice of these asanas will restore your shoulder mobility and bring the spine to its natural curve that will help the neck to be pain-free. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Namaste.